Hello everybody, welcome back, and today also we have another video for you all. In this video I'll simply show you how you can change region in Netflix app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply start our video. For that matter, what we will do is first let's go ahead, open our Netflix app. Make sure you have updated that app as well. When we open our Netflix app, of course it's gonna access the current location that we are into and will give us the access to all of the shows that are available in our region. But if you would like to watch something else that is not in your region and your friend lets you know that, hey, I'm watching this, have you, and you like, no, it's not available, then you can change your region and watch it. But how you can do it, for the matter it's not available in Netflix whatsoever, that option, you will have to download simply a VPN app which will help you to change your region location, and you can go ahead access all the shows that are available in that one. What you're going to do is go to search bar, type in a VPN, and what you're going to do is you can simply you can do a little bit of research and watch some videos of the VPN promotional videos for you to know which one would be better for you. Once you're done doing that, you can go ahead, download that particular VPN, and you can simply open that VPN app and change your location or region and go ahead access your Netflix. That way you will be able to change region and watch the likable shows that you would like to. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.